Hello kids, let's learn to count with a kitten. Count with us, let's have more fun. Let's go. 1. Repeat once again. 1. What the kitten will cook for us next? 2. Let's say it one more time. 2. What the kitten will cook for us next? 3. Repeat once again. 3. What the kitten will cook for us next? 4. Let's say it one more time. 4. What the kitten will cook for us next? 5. Repeat once again. 5. What the kitten will cook for us next? 6. Let's say it one more time. 6. What the kitten will cook for us next? 7. Repeat once again. 7. What the kitten will cook for us next? 8. Let's say it one more time. 8. What the kitten will cook for us next? 9. Repeat once again. 9. What the kitten will cook for us next? 10. Let's say it one more time. 10. You're doing great. Come back to us again.